Welcome dear aspirants of 2026. I'm Dr. Nitesh, clinical resident of Dermatovenereology. Today we have Dr. Saurabh Kumar with us. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, so I'm Dr. Saurabh Kumar. I'm the International Department Specialist at Volgograd State Medical University and also the Professor of Anatomy. Thank you so much for inviting me on your channel.
So Dr. Saurabh, I wanted to ask some questions that students have in their mind and parents are also concerned about that. So could you please tell us about the university, how is the international community here and everything?
So first of all, let me tell you about the university. That the university was founded in the year 1935. So our university has been teaching international community since past 3 decades, I would say, and our medium of teaching is in English and Russian both. So our international community, let me tell you that we are standing on the 2nd position in Russian Federation after I am Sechenov, which is in Moscow, teaching the international community. We are receiving students for more over 62 plus countries.
Is the new fee structure out for the university?
For the year 2026, we have received the new fee structure, which is 5,05,000, 500 and 5,000 in rubles for the Lechebny Facultet, which is the general medicine in English medium. So this is the new fee structure for the educational. And for the hostel, we have received a new price list of 60,000 to 1,05,000. So this is the 2 hostels that we have, Kim and Hiroshima, which is near to the university. Both of them are not very far away, within the 2-kilometer radius of the university.
So can you please tell, is the university recognized by the MCI?
Yes, our university is recognized by the MCI, and also we have the accreditation from IAAR, and also we are recognized by World Health Organization, WHO. So we have all these credentials requirement fulfilled by the Indian government, by the World Health Organization also.
So Dr. Saurabh, why should a student take admission in Volgograd State Medical University?
So to be honest, first of all, I graduated from this medical university, and I have really good experience with the university. For the teaching faculties were really kind. They were really addressing the problems related to students, and also the international department, which was very helpful. Even today, till today, we are trying to reach out to all the alumni of our university. If they are requiring any kind of document, if any kind of support from our university, we are always there to help them out. They are always reaching us out through the email, and we are trying to help them in the best way possible. So this is my experience. Otherwise, I would say that the university stands among the top 5 medical universities in Russian Federation. So this is a second reason that I would say that people can prefer choosing our university.
And how's the hostel arrangement here?
So we have 2-seater and 3-seater hostel. So it depends on the availability. So both of the options are available in our university.
And is there any difference in their fee structures?
No, the fee structure is same. It depends on the size of the room basically. So the 3-seater room is obviously a little bit large than the 2-seater room. So that's the same, but it depends on the availability, because we have such a huge amount of flow of students, so 62 plus countries, as I already mentioned. So we try to build the good relation between and the understanding between different countries. So we have a hostel dedicated to international community, so international students are all in particular hostel, so they try to adapt with each other, learn new skills, learn new languages, and learn about new cultures.
So parents are also concerned, especially about the girls. Is there any separate floor or separate partition for them?
Yes, in our hostels we have separate blocks. So the blocks are dedicated to either of the gender. So girls are living in the girls block, boys are living in the boys block. So they are of course in one building, but the blocks are completely different, and they have some restrictions also.
And the security there?
Security, we have a very tight security in the hostel. Nobody can enter from outside. So the students have like a proposed, we call in Russia. So it's like a white card they have. So they need to tap before they enter. And the X-ray machine is there. So it's like completely safe, I would say.
So Dr. Saurabh, how is the infrastructure of the university?
Let me tell you that our city Volgograd is one of the I would say like the longest city in entire Europe. So it's a stretch of like 70 kilometers, and the university is having many polyclinics, hospitals, and all the classes are oriented in all the hospitals and in the departments all over the city. So we have a very huge infrastructure. I would say we have a special center which is the Balnichny complex. We have the specialized what we say department of therapy, surgery, oncology, radiology. So we have dedicated centers, microsurgery. We have all these centers dedicated to the particular department. And as I told you that we have hospitals all over the city. So while the students are in their penultimate year and the ultimate year, they have to visit all the polyclinics. So this gives them a good experience, a good exposure about the patients. So this is about the infrastructure.
And students are also concerned if when they come here they think like the teaching is gonna be in Russian language. Is it true?
No, first of all, let me tell you that before our curriculum used to be like in 3 formats. So first was Russian, completely entire course was in Russian medium from the first year till the 6th year. Then we had a second option of 4+2, which was 4 year in English medium and then 2 years in Russian medium. And the third course plan, which was completely in English medium. So students used to opt according to their choice, but according to the requirement of the Indian government, now the students are only applying in the entire course in English medium. So till from the first course till the last course, they ultimate year they are studying here in English medium.
And how's the library?
So library is in the main building of the university. So keeping in the mind that the students have to pass the FMG exam, which is a very mandatory requirement for all the students coming from India. So keeping that in mind, we have in library specified books, authors which are required according to the curriculum of Indian government. So we are just checking the MCI guidelines also, MCI curriculum also, and we have books, I would say like anatomy, physiology, gynecology, all these books we have specific authors from India, and also we have the international authors, but the Indian students, they prefer mostly the Indian authors, so they choose those books. So we give them the entire set of books for the academic year, and they return us back after the year finishes. So this is one more additional point that I would say, that students did not need to carry anything from India, did not need to worry about like what books they need to buy, this and that, because everything is available and we give it to everyone. All the students have the access to the e-learning. This is the online platform where the study material is available. Then the second one is e-library, the electronic library, which every student is having a pass to. So they can download any book, any international, national authors of Russian Federation or international community. And then they have the physical book that they receive here from our library. It's a complete set of books for the entire semester.
Do they have to study extra for the FMG, or they can gain the access, like you said, from the library or from other platforms with the help of Volgograd?
So let me tell you about this part. So first of all, from the very first year till the 6th year, the books are dedicated according to the MCI, according to the National Medical Council of India. We have some authors. That is the first part. Second thing is that we invite the professors from India for various department, anatomy, biochemistry, surgery, therapy. We invite them. Why do we invite them? We invite them so that the students can prepare in these 6 years for the FMG examination. So like okay, of course they are having a quality education over here, but at the same time I just want them to like be aware of the about the conditions in India, be aware with the Indian curriculum. So just to keep in touch with both of them, students are studying here with the international teachers, of course, but also with the Indian professors who come from India.
And how's the FMG passing ratio here?
FMG passing ratio is good about the university. One good news we received 2 days ago, that one of our student has scored 237 marks in FMG. His name is Dr. Nikhil Venkatesh, and he was a red diploma student in our university. He graduated in the year 2025, and he's among the top 10 AIR rank in FMG, if I'm not wrong. So he scored a really good marks. So congratulations to him again. So this is really good. Like students are qualifying these days. Students are even more serious than previous students because they are more concerned. They are starting from the very first year, keeping in mind that they have to prepare for the FMG examination.
Let's bring this podcast to the end, and with that I have one more question in my mind. I wanted to ask about the accreditation. Is it mandatory here?
So accreditation is the exam that is like a licensing exam that you give like FMG in India. So basically for licensing practicing in Russian Federation, you need to give this exam accreditation, which is held in Russian language only. And the students are preparing for it from the very first year. As I told that the classes are arranged for the Russian language as well from the very first year. So they are slowly getting acquainted and learning Russian language also side by side. It's like a additional, I would say, additional talent that they acquire in Russian Federation. And they sit for the accreditation exam if they want to practice in Russia. So I don't know, like in maybe in future this might be compulsory. This might be an obligatory examination for everyone because this checks that the quality of education for the entire 6 year was on checkpoint. So this is a very good thing. So students are preparing from the very first year.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Saurabh, for your time. If anyone have any kind of questions or queries, you can contact on the given details. Thank you very much.